Creating a larger Minecraft server is a valuable way to enhance your gameplay and enable the use of plugins. To begin, exit Minecraft and open a web browser. Search for bucket spigots and navigate to the site getbucketsync.net. Select your desired version, preferably the latest one like 1.21, and download it. Once the file is downloaded, create a new folder on your desktop. Name it something meaningful like bigger server and drag the Spigot jar file into this folder. Open the folder and rename the file by removing the version details at the end. Save it as runbat with the file type set to all files and close the document. Double click the runbat file to execute it. If a Java error occurs, download and install Java from java.com, ensuring you also install the correct Java SE Development Kit, GDK 21. Uninstall any unsupported Java versions if necessary. Once Java is set up correctly, rerun runbat. When prompted, open the EULA file generated in the server folder. Agree to the terms by changing false to true. Open Minecraft and ensure you have the correct version installed. DX 1.20. Use direct connection in the multiplayer menu, type direct connection, and you're all set. You can now customize the server further with plugins and explore methods like port forwarding to allow others to join your server.